Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am back with a brand new updated tutorial today to show you how to spoof in Pokemon Go. This is a working Pokemon Go hack in 2026 and it only takes a few minutes to do this, guys, and it's completely free. So yeah, this is going to allow you to spoof Pokemon Go. You can travel to any location you want. You don't even have to move. You can play from your sofa in the comfort of your home. And yeah, this Pokemon Go spoofer is working in 2026 and it is super easy. Literally takes just a few minutes of your time to go ahead and do this. Everyone can do this, and yeah, it is working. So before I show you how to do this, guys, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm always searching for brand new free Pokemon Go spoofing and GPS methods, and this does work on both iPhone or iOS and Android. So what you need to do is use your mobile internet browser. So just use the mobile that you choose to play Pokemon Go on, because this is going to get you the spoofer onto your phone. And you need to go to www.speedyplugin. So type it like this, speedyplugin.com. And if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to a awesome site here with loads of different games and stuff on. And you just need to navigate your way to the Pokemon Go spoofer. There is a search bar as well where you can just type in Pokemon Go and it should bring up the Pokemon Go spoofer, guys. So go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, this is working. So it's going to detect your iPhone or your Android device. See, this is really popular, almost rated 5 stars by 7,000 plus people. So now, yeah, this is going to download a Pokemon Go spoofer for your device, and this works on iOS and Android. So click on download, and it's going to do it. Just give it a few seconds whilst it does it. It's not a massive file. It's only like 19 megabytes. So yeah, you don't need a load of space on your phone like some other spoofers. Sorry guys, there's a hair on my hand. I was just getting rid of that. So yeah, basically to install your Pokemon Go spoofer, you just need to follow the instructions on this page. This basically just prevents robots basically taking all of the downloads. So you need to complete 2 of the tasks below to install your free plugin. So to get your Pokemon Go spoofer, guys, you just need to complete a couple of these tasks. They're all completely free and they take about 5 minutes. They're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, answering surveys, playing mobile games. Just make sure you follow the instructions below each one, and this verifies you're not a robot. So yeah, basically guys, just complete 2 of these and it is going to install your Pokemon Go spoofer. So yeah, that is working on iOS and Android in 2026. Just go to Speedy Plugin and find the Pokemon Go spoofer, guys. It's definitely the best method. It literally takes about 5 minutes to do this. And yeah, that is how to spoof in Pokemon Go in 2026. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. Any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.